So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you have a Shopify store and want it to appear on Google, here's how to connect your Shopify website to Google Search Console and verify it. So firstly, in Shopify, go to Online Store, then Preferences. Under Password Protection, make sure your store isn't restricted by a password, then save your changes. Now open Google Search Console and click Add Property. Choose URL prefix and paste your Shopify website URL. Then make sure to use the exact version of your live website URL, then click Continue. Google will show you several verification methods. Choose HTML tag and copy the meta tag Google provides. Now in Shopify, go to Online Store, then Themes. Then find your current theme and click the three dots and then choose Edit Mode. Open the theme.liquid file and paste the Google verification tag inside the Head section. Save changes and return to Google Search Console, then click Verify. Once Google detects the tag, your Shopify website will be verified. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.